Hey everyone, Thomas again here at MGMClassicCars.com. Today I have the pleasure of showing you guys something a little different. I was surprised that we got it in as well. This is a 1982 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale. What's pretty cool about this Delta Royale Oldsmobile 88, this is a one-owner car out of the state of Wisconsin, guys. This thing has 8,000 miles, and it definitely does show it. I want to go over this car with you guys. It's not something that we usually get here at MGM Classics, but I couldn't pass up this one. This thing is way, way too nice. It kind of brings you right back to the early 80s on how these cars looked, how they were built, how they smell brand new inside. It's very, very nice, guys. 8,930 miles to be exact, guys. And it is documented, okay? We do have a clean title for the car as well. These Delta 88s came with several different engine options in 82. This one has the 305 5.0 liter. Yes, it's got the power steering, the power disc, the air conditioning, the automatic 4-speed automatic overdrive transmission, guys. Something that you're going to be very, very happy with on whoever buys this beautiful, beautiful car. Body and paint, honestly, like new. That's what this is. It is like new as new. Chrome, just beautiful on the car. Paint is spectacular on it. The top is spectacular. On the vehicle, the padded top. As you can see, it's got all an original appearance. This thing is showroom quality, guys. Let's check out the inside. Beautiful, like new interior. Great color combo. Look at this thing. Look at these door jambs. Pristine. Look at really quick underneath. Isn't that something? These doors are heavy. You need a little push. Trunk, excellent condition. You guys can see all that on the website. There's a lot of information here from the original owner. I took pictures of everything in here and put it on our website. When was the last time you guys seen something like this? Wow. There we go. Spectacular. I'm going to shut it off and turn it back on because I had a little, let's see here. There we go. Starts right up, guys. Got all your lights on, off. Wipers. You got tilt wheel. Horn functions. All the lights inside work. 8,931 documented miles. You got your AM, FM, original radio. Air conditioning, heat, everything there functions. Everything works on this beautiful car. Sounds great too. Let's pop the hood. There you have it, folks. 1982. If you need financing, not a problem. Rates start at 6.49%. Credit scores got to be at least 640. Credit approvals are based off your credit profile. We have no money down options as well, but usually it's 10% down. So you will need $3,000 down. You'll get a low monthly payment. Ask your sales representative for some estimates, or go to the website in which you're probably on. If not, go to mgmclassiccars.com. I have a loan calculator right underneath the picture of this car that you guys can mess with, okay, to come up with your monthly payment. So check that out. If you need delivery, please call or text. Our phone number is 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. One lucky person is going to get this one. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.